Yo, hello everyone. And today I'm just gonna do my first early grind in Beachworm Simulator. So if you don't know what that means, I simply do some things here. Well, firstly, let me see. Yes. Right, so I'll just go here. King Beetle, right, let's go. Attack. Ow. Did hurt. Come on. Let's go. No, come on, beat him. Alright. Nice cash and so on. Dang. 5 tickets. Alright, let's go to the next guy. He's like Tunnel Bear. Let's try not to die. So if you don't know who the hell Tunnel Bear is, he's the guy here in the 10 zone, I'm pretty sure. Yes, 10 zone. And he's down here. Right, Beast. Right, Beast, let's go. Go attack. I'm pretty sure we will win. Oh. As you can see, Tunnel Bear is currently dying. Like really badly, type of thing. Right, and can you take the things? Very good. Alright, I'm pretty sure he's almost dead. Yeah, he's so dead. Yes. I think we're gonna kill him, right? Should I risk it or not? I'm not gonna risk it. He's dying right now. Pretty sure we'll win, right? Come on, bees, do something. Do it quicker. Do it quicker, please. 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 Yo, eater, super cooked. Oh no. Bruh, Tunnel Bear just got lucky. Alright guys, but that's everything. Bye for today.